Saturday, December 11. We will go camping on Keo Waterfall. This is our first time to go camping, and I am really excited.
Oh, we are finally here.
Whoa! Look at this!
That's amazing.
Is this still Kuang Si?
No, but they're connected.
This is like a small Kuang Si, right? And they have restaurant too.
Amazing.
I want to try. Let's go there.
Okay, let's go.
I want to see.
Yeah, you touch.
Okay, I will.
Careful.
Oh!
Really?
Yeah.
This water so clearly.
Right? You can see. Really clear. This is Keo Waterfall. And this is their cute campsite. One tent for overnight is 50,000 ki. Keo Waterfall is connected to Kuang Si Waterfall. Kisa tent. Nishi tent.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome to Kisa's house.
Oh, nice.
So cute.
Oh, good comforter.
Yep.
And Kisa, look at this over there.
Yeah, I bought this too. This is Kisa Waterfall.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Wow.
How did you find here?
I saw the story of my friend on Instagram and then I messaged her. She gave me the detail. But the owner cannot speak English.
Oh,
I use Google Translate.
nice. Kisa, you want to go to Kuang Si Waterfalls?
Yeah, can we?
Yeah, from here to there just 5 minutes.
Oh, let's go. I'm hungry too. Let's eat our favorite restaurant.
Ah, okay. Let's
Go.
go.
There's so many people right now.
Oh, long time no see.
Oh, when the last time we went here?
Oh, I forgot.
Maybe before the lockdown, like
Yeah.
5 months ago.
So where you want to go?
Oh, favorite restaurant. Kuang Si Waterfall has a lot of restaurant and souvenir shop outside. This is our favorite restaurant. You should try this big grilled fish. It smells so good.
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat, but I
I'm
want to drink
hungry.
Coke Zero first. So perfect. I'll try first my favorite Morning Glory.
Yeah, really you like morning glory. Every time you order.
Haha.
So,
Kuang Si Morning Glory is the best for me.
good.
Because you cannot eat this you can eat this in the main town. But in Kuang Si, it's really far from the town. Have you tried this before?
Yeah, my favorite.
You try.
Wow,
Best.
this is amazing. Kisa, please you try that big fish.
grilled.
Is that soft?
Yeah, look at this. So fresh. Because I clean my hands now.
Wow.
So good. Plus kaipen. Perfect combination all those three.
Yeah.
Chai.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's go. Wow, look at this.
Whoa, big.
So big. But I'm a bit scared.
Why?
Look at this. There's an opening. I feel there's a spirit going out at night. And
Are you child? Wow. They're sleeping.
No, the other one. I think. I know. Hello. They're eating. Hi, 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 hi. There's a lot in there. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi.
What is that?
That's how you call a bear. You need that voice. You try. Hi, 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 hi. Right? You look stupid, right?
Yeah. I don't want to do that.
A short walk past the entrance gate is a bear rescue center. Tat Kuang Si Bear Rescue Center. A number of Asiatic black bears rescued from poachers and illegal wildlife trade.
What is that?
This is my waterfall plant.
Ah, but it's up more beautiful.
Oh, I know. Let's go.
Oh, so beautiful. It's, what are you doing?
Oh, you don't know? This is my power.
Really?
I need, yeah.
Is this your power?
Yeah, I'm the hook.
Let's go. Wow. This is amazing.
This is the Kuang Si Waterfall.
Wow, so beautiful.
The World Heritage Kuang Si Waterfall. Kuang Si Waterfall is just 10 minutes away from Keo Waterfall via motorbike. Locals and tourists are gathered in here to have picnic. This is the iconic tourist spot in Laos.
I'm just learning how to use camera for 1 month, right?
Yeah.
I will challenge you.
Oh,
Let's take a photo and see who will win.
oh really? Okay.
Then I will post to my Instagram and then I will let my followers to choose.
Of course you will win because you're Instagram.
No, oh, I will hide. I will hide the name.
Oh, we need same camera.
Okay, same camera, so it's fair.
Okay.
You choose your spot, it's my spot. Challenge accepted. If I'm thirsty, I will always order Lao coffee.
Really?
Yes.
It means just water. So, actually, you're hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry. Actually, I already ordered our food. But it's surprise for you, okay?
Oh, did you finish?
Yeah.
Order?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ordered 3.
Oh,
And look at this. I thought we are the only one who will stay here.
Uh-huh.
But I saw somebody with a tent.
oh yeah.
Because actually I'm a bit scared if only us. Everybody will go home. But yes, somebody will stay with us.
Okay.
I ordered fried pork spring roll, fried rice with seafood, and one more, pad thai. But I think they're still cooking it.
Okay, it's all fried rice
course.
first.
Okay. I'll try the seafood first, okay?
Okay.
This is the first fried rice taste that I've tried in Luang Prabang. It's really different from the main town. We have the waterfalls. We are eating here.
Oh, actually, I cannot hear.
This is their signature, but you know what? It's getting cold.
Yeah, I'm so cold.
No. Let's try the fried rice.
Oh!
Right? Okay. Let's try the pad thai.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
That's good.
Now I understand why so many people are eating this lunch here.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
It tastes like premium taste. Yeah?
Oh!
Right?
Surprise.
Yeah.
What? There's a food and
Yeah.
beautiful waterfall.
Yeah. Perfect night.
Perfect night.
100% again.
Yeah.
Today is full activity, right?
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Yeah, me too, and I'm so full. Okay. Okay. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What is your face? What?
I have new pimple.
So, how do you sleep?
Oh, last night I slept very early. And the water sound makes me really sleepy. How about you?
Yeah, me too. Maybe 9 or 10, I fall asleep.
Oh, that's early. How do you feel? We woke up with this nature and then waterfall view.
Yeah, this is amazing. I can stay here a long time.
Yes, me too.